This demo here is for the Auto 306. I'm going to go over a couple things right here. Of course, the top of the chamber right here. This is for the planetary inside. I'll open up the chamber a little bit later to show you how that works. And below this we have is your chamber with your view finder. Down below here we have a manual gas input, and then you have a 4-pocket source in there, so you can change your pockets with that selector knob. And over here we have your thermal source controller. Basically you got a low voltage transformer that you just flip, turn on, turn it up, and it will apply power to the source. I'll go through that in a little bit. Then you have your planetary control. It's just simple, turn it on and then turn it on here, and you have your variable speed that you can use with the screwdriver to adjust the speed of the planetary. Below here is your film thickness monitor. Basically gives you your rate and your total thickness of what's on your sample. Over here is basically your power, and then you have the controls for a roto-tilt, but this doesn't have the roto-tilt in this one. Pretty much you either use this or you use your planetary rotary work holder, which is up top here. And then this right here is your main system. Basically it's your auto pump down controller, and it's your vacuum gauge and everything. As you can see, where right now the chamber is 1 in 5 to the -6. That's without any LN2 and a diffusion pump system. Down below here is your whole pump system. As you see, there's a mechanical pump, there's a high voltage transformer, and then there's a low voltage transformer. A little bit above right here is your diffusion pump. You do need water to cool it down, the diffusion pump. On the side here is your hookups. This is your main power right here, and then you have your 2 water lines coming out on the bottom. Now I'm going to turn on the thermal source so we can check out the film thickness monitor. So what I'm going to do is turn this on the low voltage transformer. I'm going to turn this up, and as you can see, your amperage is going up right now. We go look inside the chamber, you're going to see that it's going to start glowing, and you can see it's going to turn it up higher. And then as I turn it up higher, you're going to see your film thickness go up. And you see we're at 2.6, 3. And if I shut it down, you're going to see that the whole thing is coated up here, where this was all clear. Now you can see a reflection of my hand and everything in it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to the vacuum controller. I'm going to hit vent, and I'm going to give it a few minutes, and we'll be back after it vents so I can show you the inside of the chamber. Alright, so this is the inside of the chamber. It's vented. I got it open. I'm going to do a couple things to show you, like the work holder. I'm going to come over here and hit this button here, and then you're going to see platen up top moving. The other thing I didn't show you is the shutter, which is a handle on the left hand side, and you can see I can just move the shutter, which is this handle right here. And also, I didn't show you this over here, is your LN2 that you can use to bring down the chamber faster vacuum. Now back in the chamber, I'm going to show you is the selector knob. You can see that it will turn the whole turret here, so you can go to the different boats. And what you want to do is, when you do this, is this part right here needs to go up on these posts. So it's only these 4 posts that can go to. These other posts here are grounded to the bottom part, which allows this to make contact to give it the full power going to the thermal source. And that should be the end of the video demo. Thank you.